Today we are going to discuss about the installation of the XEnvironment application. So last time we had discussed about the installation of the POS register setup. So now we are going to discuss about the XEnvironment application. So you remember we had one zip file we had downloaded from the Oracle eDelivery. Inside that one we had a 4 5 zip file. We have extracted this one, then we have got this one. Inside this one, we had selected the Oracle because we are using the Oracle database. Inside that only, if you will go, then you can see we had this Oracle Retail Xstore point of service. Inside this one, that folder structure, then XEnvironment folder structure is there. Just we need to go over there, and then you will be seeing there are two jar files. Install and upgrade. As we are doing the first time, we will be running the install script only. So suppose, and then command is java minus jar. So look, then you need to run this one. We will be seeing, we will be putting this one. So if you will, so this installation we are doing for the lead register. That's the region we otherwise first we will be selecting the. So here you can see. So look, we will be seeing. Just create the folder environment. So this is the folder structure. So you can see we have selected the C colon environment folder structure for the X environment installation. And here the what the configuration we are doing, we are selecting. So this is a lead register. That's the region we have selected lead workstation server. So we will be selecting this one. The lead register host name. So how you will go to the node to the host name? So just click here and type the host name. So host name is Xstore machine only. So just you put copy here and you need to put here. Organization ID, we had put 1000, store number is 101, register number is 1, that's the reason we are showing this one. Enable X environment UI, yes, we want that one. Touch screen, for the time being, we don't need name. X store name, this is a paste store. Help desk number, suppose we are keeping 121314. And country language, you can put whatever. Enable integrated polling. As of now, that polling we are not sure, usually you will be selecting this one. Uh, for the keeping the installation is usually you will be keeping this one also enabled. Access store present, yes, access store is there. Enable access store self checkout. No, we don't want the SEO mode enabled. Mobile server present. Currently, we are not configuring the mobile server. Configuring, we are not configuring the X service server. We are not configuring the microservice also. It's extensions or no? EFT link? No. Currently, it's a base one. What is the Oracle SQL Server instance name? So in our case, we remember CJ access to. How you can get to know? So just go here and the same DB for the Oracle Access Store POS, the same DB we are checking only. So look, this is the name Access Store. That name we need to pass here. Localhost, primary database, and what will be this one? DTB we have created. So you remember the store primary DTB and DTB username is there. One more thing you might have remembered when we had discussed. So anything we are going to do then where inside the gen key and then we need to use this one. Look, DTB, and then copy this one. Password is also DTB. That's the reason we are putting this one. Master database, which is the master database, means this system DB is the source was the master database. System Oracle 123. System. We can confirm like so success. Click tab. Training your training. It's asking for the mm, HTTP server. Currently, we have not, so we won't be putting this one client for this CJ, salt TJ. So we are currently we are in SSHP. That's the reason we want to be providing. Just we are keeping. And then we will stop. Load everything. It's a good option. Can see if I finish and I'm just starting the access to. Finish. And there will be now we are at all and to are able to you can see the same version we have installed and it's starting building successful. Any error? No. And now it's starting the action environment.